pardon my voice, I'm a little ill. What's up, guys? It's Stu TV. Dropping another video for you, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys my brand new car. And towards the end of the video, we're going to be putting an intake on my brand new car. I know I look like I'm a part of the mom car status right now, but this shit is sick. Wait till I show you. For those who don't know, this is a 2.0 T car. Comes with xenon headlights, alloy wheels, monster truck suspension, and rusted calipers. The color, in all technicality, is called Quantum Gray, but it's Nardo. It looks like Nardo. It's fucking Nardo. The inside of the car, it is extremely sleek, dude. Look at this shit. You know, winter's a bitch. It looks like it's already moved into my car. If you guys follow me on TikTok, everybody's pissed off at me because of this and because of this. This is a DSG transmission, one of the fastest shifting transmissions in the world. Upshifts in 8 milliseconds. 8 milliseconds it shifts up. This car comes stock with launch control that I'll be showing you later. And look at this D-shaped steering wheel. I'm in love with it. And if you guys are like Subi fanatics, I'm still a Subi fanatic. I still love my Subis. I still have all of my knowledge of Subis. But my knowledge of Subis has pushed me towards getting an Audi A3. Audi A3s are more reliable. They're super easy to get power out of. And by no means am I hating on the Subi community. I fucking love you guys. You're like the core of my family, like my support system. I don't know why everybody got so mad at me. Yeah, I've been posting memes, but you guys get mad, you comment, and then it boosts my algorithm, and I get paid more. So obviously I'm gonna keep posting about them. It's silly. But that's enough of the drama, guys. Just be happy for me. We're on to bigger and better things. So let's go pick up Derek, who has an RS3, who doesn't want to drive the RS3 because he's a bitch. All right, this is me being nitpicky about this car. The only thing that really bothers me that I've noticed is that the all-wheel drive system is 70% front-wheel drive and 30% rear-wheel drive, whereas a Subaru, or my last car at least, was 50-50, so it was 50 front-wheel and 50 rear-wheel drive. So the Subaru definitely makes out to be a better snow car, but I'm going to say that this car might destroy a Subaru off of a dig. And the only reason I say that is because Subarus notably bog when you launch them at high RPM. These jump straight into it. It's crazy. I'll have to show you guys. Not to mention that this is the S-Line package, so it does come with paddle shifters and comes with some nice seat bolstering on the side, which is the 1.8T Audi A3s. I think they do not. And if you guys were wondering, my plans for this car are to build and change almost everything. Well, my dad's gonna get pissed off at that because this is still under warranty for 3 years. 3 fucking years! It's like a curse! Sorry. Dude, it's like a disgusting ass winter snowland out here, dude. But anyways, on this build, I'm probably not gonna cheap out. That was my plan for the Subaru, but everything just ran me broke. It kept breaking, and I couldn't afford to buy anything nice for it anymore. So I cheaped out on it a little bit. But this build, it's not gonna break. It's under warranty. And you know, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I'm not 100% sure on this yet, but I do plan on bagging this car, only because going static and destroying my brand new bumper is just not in my mind right now. This bumper definitely costs like at least $1,000. Just a brand new paint, brand new car. It's just scary, so I don't want to break the bumper. Obviously, I'm getting wheels and I'm doing everything aesthetic to this car because I didn't get to do that to my last two. Also, for performance mods, I'm definitely going full bolts on E85 or E30. I'm not really sure. I want to go bigger turbo once it gets closer to the end of my warranty. So full bolts on this car would be intake, downpipe, and tune, and that's basically full bolts on. As for bigger turbo, since I'm on the MQB platform, everything is basically interchangeable between Volkswagens and Audis. I want to go a hybrid Volkswagen Golf R turbo. So there's a hybrid Golf R turbo, and all that means is basically it's twin scroll. It'll spool way faster and you'll get a lot more power out of the build. Okay, that's enough of me talking about what I want to do to the future in this car. Let's focus on the now. Let's go put this intake in, dude. Just stay right there, you're going to the video. Kyle just bought a 135i and it sort of runs.
Partially clapped.
So, actually, dude, it's really clean.
No, it really runs. The tractor, dude.
Dude, she needs a wash. Ooh, red guts. Dude, is this like... Dude, this is the Spider-Man whip. It's blue exterior with red guts, dude. It's Spider-Man.
Yeah, check out my hood struts.
Yeah. That's totally safe. Alright, dude. We're gonna see this blue bad bitch tractor start up. Oh my god. It's fucking green. Kyle doesn't know what boost is yet. I forgot about that. Dude, look how fucking quaint this just picture looks right here. This is crazy. And then there's that fucking tractor, dude. Take it for a ride on my big blue tractor. I like it though. We gotta fix the fucking lights.
It actually sounds pretty good.
Yeah. I like the 135s.
The 135 sound better than the 235.
Look at is that a big brake kit? Or is it just covers?
I have no idea. I don't really know anything about the 135.
Yeah, do it one more time, dude.
Dude, launch it, dude.
You really gotta fix that fucking intake. Or the exhaust, I mean.
Alright, my bad, dude. Now I'm recording sideways, dude. This ain't it. Dude, this ain't it. We need more stu-tu-tu-tu.
Dude,
Mine did.
my car didn't come with extra parts because it's brand new.
Okay,
Dude, the Subaru though, I have another.
My car's not clapped. My bad, dude. I didn't mean it.
Dude, I have enough Subaru car parts in my garage to build another Subaru. So, all right, dude, we're gonna open the intake and see how giant the whale cock it is. But Harry Balsania sent it to me, so clutch in.
Yo, dude. Yo, look at the guy that sent it to him, Kyle. Dude, look at it.
Dude, Harry Balsania.
Yeah, Harry Balsania.
Oh shit, I got blurred on my address, dude. All right, dude. All right.
Are you gonna let Solomon do the honors, dude?
Am I gonna do the honors?
Dude,
First person?
Oh wow, I need a knife like this.
My leg.
My leg.
He's gonna cut his finger off.
Wow, that was awful recording. Dude, someone record this. Here, Derek.
Alright, dude. I'm the cameraman. Alright, guys. Stu TV.
Alright, dude.
Oh my lordy lord.
Why is the package like this? Holy fuck. Is this the shield?
Yeah, dude.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, dude.
That's big as hell.
Dude, you got a lollipop.
Yo, they sent me a lollipop, dude.
Dude, last time I got fucking gummy bears, man. There's your SAI.
Yeah, that's a little tiny intake, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what it does.
That's for real.
Whale dick.
Oh, dude, we have all the boosts now, dude. Holy shit. No, they're named Arm Performance because literally, it's like my fucking
Dude,
arm.
that's like the Hulk's arm right there.
That's
man.
crazy. We got our little coupler things, little band
Clamps.
things.
Oh yeah, freshy boy.
Yo, my parents are gonna be so pissed.
Yeah, guys. Who am I?
I'm not saying it.
Oh, that's going all over. All right, if you guys were curious, this is the stock intake airbox, and yeah, bullshit. So we're gonna learn how to take this off. I mean, they did it before.
You're doing it all yourself.
All right, I'll do it as long as Derek records.
It's your car. You gotta learn how to do things.
Cameraman?
Yeah, you're a cameraman, dude.
Sweet.
About these cars, they have two hood latches. Whack as fuck, dude.
Damn,
Dude, my hood latch doesn't even work.
Holy fuck. That's gonna be ridiculous.
Dude, I'm so used to the RS3 I was looking at. I was like, dude, this ain't gonna fit. Because I was like looking at the A3, the way the intake goes. And it looked like the RS3.
Dude, I'm getting on some video for insurance purposes. Yeah, crazy man, dude. All right, dude, next we have to remove this, which I can't do one-handed, so.
I think it went into the...
Let's see how good he is, guys. Look at, dude, look at that. Oh my god, he did it.
Oh, yo, it's fucking hot as hell under here. Oh, wait, I forgot to remove these. How do you do that?
You just pull it.
What is this fucking
You just pull it,
non-Japanese?
dude. You just pull it. Okay, maybe not. But you need to crimp this.
Dude, I'm reaching into this crack.
That go like that.
Dude, non-Japanese shit is so
I think
confusing.
that just pulls out.
From where?
Pull it out.
I want to break it, dude. Oh, it's good. Oh, yo, look at that crusty ass brand new intake.
Dang, dude, that's probably the mouse, dude. There's so much going on right now.
What is this?
Oh, dude, this is actually pretty freaky fresh.
Dude, you could sell that intake.
Alright, how does this come out now?
Oh!
Oh shit! Let's go!
He found Oh, dude.
Dude, I'm finding this boy.
Alright, now let's try to sell him and fuck this car
How
up.
do you remove this? How do you...
Nasty, man.
How do you...
Dude, Kyle gets to use his new Christmas present.
Oh.
Dude!
How do you fucking remove this?
Dude, let's watch him work on a German, not help him.
Oh, no.
Dude, German cars are fucked.
It's really easy.
It is really easy.
Don't I just yank on it?
Yeah, dude.
No, we're dead ass.
We're dead arse, dude.
Dude.
It's got like 2 push pins. Push thingies.
Oh my god, I'm
Trust
sweating.
me, we didn't know what to do either.
Yeah, dude. See the rubber right there, dude? See it? You got this, dude.
Oh.
You're gonna jam your finger. Oh my god. Close. Oh yeah, dude. That was satisfying. The next one.
Yo,
Should be in the back.
I'm gonna yank up on this.
Oh, dude, look at. He's learning German life.
Oh my god, dude, it's full of hair already.
Avoid your warranty, dude.
No, dude, it's fine.
Just keep that.
Yeah, if something plugs in on the bottom, that was hard to get back in. Is that my starter, dude? I think.
Cody's drifting in here, dude. You hear his M5 out there?
Yo, imagine.
So this is my first time working on a German car. And I need to already buy Torx bits because everything is Torx bits. Gladly, Kyle has them all. Alright, just so you know, I did not pick this camera angle.
Dude, this thing was fire, dude.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, that's right. I just ripped this shit off. This is a stock one. This is the aftermarket one. Yo, look at this shit. That's fucking crazy. So I forgot to tell you guys I got sponsored by ARM Motorsports. And Cody's fucking. All right, I got sponsored by ARM Motorsports. So if you guys use the code STUTV10, you'll get 10% off of all of their shit. And
Go order parts.
Go order parts right now. He had ARM parts.
On everything.
He can't. I don't think. Oh wait, yeah, I think
He has an AR.
they have N54 stuff. So use code STUTV10.
Yeah, dude. Listen, dude, I've had on everything.
Also, while we're doing sponsorship shit, go buy my merch because you should. All right, bye. All right, since these guys are like the German installation professionals, we're gonna put the intake 2 and the bracket or shield, whatever you want to call it, in at the same time, so it's easier. I need a shot of him installing the grommet.
See, guys, this is what. Oh, hold on. This is what he's putting on right now. Da-na-na.
Yo, we should have started the car and see how it sounded.
We did.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, it's okay. I'll be on YouTube.
Yeah, dude.
You watch it.
Dude, this thing's fucking tighter than the Volkswagen.
For this video, Kyle was like, "Sorry, when you're doing this all yourself." And now Kyle's just doing it.
How it works all the time.
I got kicked out, dude. This is fucking huge.
Dude, the SAI.
Oh no.
Little pipe that goes in there.
The hose.
Yeah.
Where did the hose go?
The hose definitely, it's probably right there.
I can't see him legally.
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Just make sure it wasn't underneath the fucking.
Oh no. We'll go under here.
Lube it up, maybe.
Yo, I'm doing this one-handed.
Spit on it.
Yo, help her brother out, dude.
dude, I gotta
This intake installation requires lots of soapy water.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, dude, that was sad.
Yo.
Bring her down more, dude. More lube, more lube.
Slipped on there.
Oh! You're too
far.
Oh, dude. We're fucked
Too
now.
fucking far.
We're not getting that bitch back on there. We're gonna have to restart.
I'm sauce.
Alright, dude.
We're good.
It's a SAI, right? Oh, you bent it. You bent my filter.
Oh, dude, it's
Dude. I'm gonna cry. Fuck.
Dude, too much muscle, dude.
How dare crease his fucking penis.
It is, dude.
It's about that small too.
Dude, like, we can just twist.
Dude. Yeah, we need soapy water. We need soapy water.
No, dude, the rubber's not lubed. Dude, soapy water, dude. Fixes all, dude.
Dude, you want me to put a filter in?
Dude, we should put this in first.
Dude, soapy water that bitch. Yep. I'm gonna have to like.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Spin it. Oh!
Spit on it. Don't bend the filter.
I'm not bending it. Yeah, it goes on one side and slides off the other.
Here we go, Kyle.
It's on.
Yeah, dude. What?
It keeps sliding on. Okay, I'm loosening this crown.
Why is it clamped so fucking tight in the first place?
Dude, not there, dude.
You know, because then you can't see the screw. No, it's coming off. Because we put fucking soapy water on it.
Yeah, that.
Dude, Solomon, you told me if you want to fix it, you're doing it yourself.
Dude, that does not look like it's on there.
I said that, dude.
Yo, Solomon, tighten the back clamp.
Oh, you didn't tighten it yet, dude?
No, dude, that's all you, dude.
Oh, give me the thing, dude. Of course, you give me the hardest one to tighten.
It's right in front of a hard line. It's not over there. It's not over there, dude.
I have a situation.
What?
I need a ratchet, dude. Or a
need a
fucking wrench.
Oh, the guy sits right here.
Wait, what? Dude, this shit looks pretty mean.
Oh, Derek did it.
Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see me right now, but we installed the intake, and again, I forgot to record, but I'm gonna get some sound clips for you guys real quick. Yo, it's late as shit right now, so I'm trying to be quiet, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you use code STUTV10 to get 10% off of all ARM performance parts. And most of all, make sure you guys use STUTV to get 10% off of all of my merchandise. Link in description. New drops coming very, very soon, so stay on that shit and go cop some merch. So hope y'all have a great night. Make sure you're following TikTok, Instagram, everything else, STU_TV. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Go to the right, dude. No, dude, we need to go to the right, dude.
I'm trying, dude. I'm fucking pushing it.
Wait, maybe we get the. Oh, we're like over it.
133,000.